How to get a high score in Block Blast. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get a high score in Block Blast. So let's get started. First, open the app up. If you don't have it, you can simply download it from your app store. Now here, let's get started. Now in Block Blast, the more combos you make, the more points you gather. So make sure that you get more combos. Try to get as many combos as you can. So just all you need to do is match these blocks up. Now make sure that you keep the center empty because there will be big blocks which you will need space for later on in the game. So just start playing. The more you play, the better you get at it. So keep on playing the game and you will be sure to get better at it. So as you can see right here, I am trying to clear up space here. Now the more space you clear, the more larger blocks you can get, and the larger blocks you get, the more high score you can get. So as you can see, this is how you do it, and that is basically it. Those are the only tips that you will need to get a high score in Block Blast. So try to get as many combos as you can and try to create as much space as you can. And yeah, that will basically be it for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.